My name is Dr. Bharat Chandra. I'm a success coach. Once there was a rich Marwadi gentleman. He developed pain on the left side of the chest. Marwadi gentleman, pain on the left side of the chest. It's a bad combination, declared as heart attack. During such time when the Marwadi gentleman was nursing himself in the hospital, one of the lottery tickets he purchased went for a bumper draw. His wife came running to the hospital. She was about to go upstairs to break this wonderful news. Suddenly she remembered the cardiologist very clearly told not to break good news or bad news because it's very dangerous to the heart. She stopped short, went to the cardiologist and told him, "Doctor, my husband loves money, he's into more money, how about breaking this wonderful news?" The cardiologist said, "Don't worry, we are experts in breaking the news." So the doctor took some time, his very busy schedule, went and sat by the side of Mr. Lal, engaged him in conversation. "Mr. Lal, suppose you get 10,000 rupees in lottery, what do?" He said, "Let it is 10,000 rupees, let it go to Anath Ashram in Malleshwaram." "Suppose it is 50,000, what do? If it is 50,000, let it go to working women's hostel." "Suppose 1 lakh, what do?" Lal had seen many 1 lakhs in his life. He said, "It's 1 lakh, let it go to Jain Association, let them have dinner every month in their meetings." Now doctor was also getting excited. He said, "Lal, suppose the amount is 1 crore, what do?" And Lal got excited and said, "Doctor, the amount is 1 crore, half the amount for you." The next minute, the cardiologist died. My dear friend, this is called acute stress. Stress happening suddenly. Other examples of acute stress in our life are doorbells in the middle of the night, telephone calls in the middle of the night, the boss calling you to his chamber suddenly, and suddenly the heart starts pumping inside the mouth, lub-dub, lub-dub. As against this, there is something called chronic stress, which happens on a long-term basis. For example, the government, the taxes, demonetization, the traffic congestion, environmental pollution, difficult boss, unmanageable wife, etc. My dear friends, you must have seen many people who are 30 looking 60. You must have seen many people who are 60 looking 30. The story is stress management. Imagine you have a vehicle. You go on using the vehicle only in the first gear. What happens? 5,000 kilometers later, one fine day, the engine says, "Bhad." That means the vehicle designed to last 100,000 kilometers in the fourth gear, often at neutral gear. Are we not doing the same mistake in our life? This vehicle called human being, designed to last 100 years in the fourth gear, often in neutral gear. But how often you catch yourself in the first gear, second gear, third gear, rarely in the fourth gear. My dear friends, stress is the only one thing that consumes a person alive. The funeral fire consumes at the end of the journey, but stress is consuming you every second, every minute. The hallmark of a successful person in life is stress management without distress. I hope from today you practice stress management by practicing meditation, relaxation, yoga, etc. and become successful in life. Please understand, management of stress is the most integral part of our life. Thank you.